Hello, welcome to the technical analysis of Netflix. Netflix is at an inflection zone. It is important to watch the key levels. Today, the stock is gained by 1.6%, and the 30-day trend points to a downtrend. Price is below the 9 and 50-day EMAs, but still above the 200-day EMA. The long-term floor holds, while short and medium-term pressure persists. There is a downward gap between $114.27 and $114.57 that remains unfilled. A move to close this gap would mean about a 2.2% rise from here. Price is below a falling trend line near $126.34, which is capping the upside. If selling continues, next key support is around $108.28. Price is consolidating between a rising trend line near $108.28 and a falling resistance area near $126.34. A break above the downtrend line could point toward $126.71, a zone that has been tested several times in the past. Price has already reached its long-term objective once and is now in a pullback phase. If buyers step back in around this retracement area, the upside sequence to watch is $130.79, long-term target. Then $145.83, 1.618 extension. Then $170.17, 2.618 extension. The long-term roadmap is in a build phase, with 2 of 4 confirmations in place. Prior high cleared, EMA 200 reclaimed, and downtrend break, EMA 50 reclaimed, still pending. Based on the prior impulse, a reasonable completion window is about 25 to 47 sessions, or roughly 7.2 weeks. Invalidation sits near $107.34 on a decisive daily close below that level. Momentum is building. Both MACD and RSI are confirming the current strength. In a similar MACD cycle, between April 14th and May 12th, the price saw a 100% of around 19.2%. From a long-term perspective, price remains inside the broader trend channel on the longer-term view. Zooming into the latest short-term trading channel, price is testing an area of resistance near the top of the short-term channel. Adding a Fibonacci roadmap on top of this structure, the price is trading below the 78%, 113.21 Fibonacci retracement level, with the 61% retracement near 117.68 below. The upcoming Fibonacci extension targets are around 141.35, Fib 1.27, and then 150.55, Fib 1.62. Looking at Netflix today, the market is giving us a neutral read overall. The recent price action has been forming a structure that many traders are watching closely. From a trend perspective, the price is currently below several key moving averages, and this positioning helps set the tone for the broader direction. Momentum indicators add another layer to the picture. RSI is hovering around 46.2, while MACD is above its signal line, which hints at building strength in the current swing. In terms of activity, volume is close to its 20-day average, and volatility, measured by ATR, is holding relatively steady. Together, these shape the energy behind the next potential move. The main level to keep on the radar is around $134. If price manages to close above $134 and MACD confirms the move, this could unlock a continuation-type setup. On the defensive side, the key invalidation area is near $107, where this setup would start to lose its reliability. After reaching the measured objective, price is in a pullback phase and working through a retracement area. If buyers manage to defend the retracement zone, an upside path to monitor is $131, long-term target, $146, 1.618 extension, $170, 2.618 extension. On the map ahead, we are tracking the next resistance around $113, support near $111, a midterm target around $134. Overall, the structure is becoming clearer, and the coming sessions are likely to decide whether this setup develops into a continuation move or slips into a deeper pullback. Here are the latest updates for Netflix. The most recent headline is Investigation Alert. Edelson Lexson LLP announces investigation of Netflix Inc., NASDAQ NFLX, and encourages investors with substantial losses or witnesses with relevant information to contact the firm. Netflix, NFLX, stock, 10-for-1 stock split, takes effect as advertising revenue doubles. CoinCentral, 29 hours ago. That wraps up this technical analysis on Netflix. If you found it helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel so you do not miss future updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.